Okay, now that we can bypass the checking for the file type, let's see if we can bypass it when we increase the security level to high. So again, I'm gonna exit this and I'm gonna go to the website settings here in DVWA. And as you can see now, this is still running, so it's intercepting every packet. I'm gonna click this to turn it off so I can browse the internet normally. And I'm gonna go on high. I'm gonna submit that. And now that's all good. So the security level now is high. I'm gonna go to my file upload. I'm gonna try to upload a normal image just to make sure that nothing broke like we did before. So I'm just gonna upload the car image. And as you can see, we can upload JPG extensions. So I'm gonna turn on my interceptor again so I can see what's happening. And I'm gonna try to upload my shell right here, .jpg, like I did in the previous video. I'm gonna click on upload. And I'll just try the method we tried before and see if that works. So in the previous method, the target computer or the target server was checking if the file type is an image. So when we called our file JPG, it was only checking if the content type is an image. So when we come here and change this to PHP and forward this packet, the upload used to go through. Now you can see that it's telling us that the image was not uploaded, so it's probably checking that the extension is JPG as well. So it's checking the file type and the extension. So we can bypass the file type like we did before, but now it's checking for the extension, so we can't really bypass it that way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a trick that I'll show you now. So I'm just gonna upload the file again, same file, shell.jpg, and I'm gonna click on upload. What it's doing right now, it's checking that the content type is an image.jpg, which is perfect. That's cool. We can do that. We bypassed that last time. What it's also checking this time, it's probably, we don't know, but we're assuming that it's also checking that the file type is .jpg at the end. So when we're changing that to .php, everything is breaking because it's expecting a .jpg file or .png. So it's expecting an image extension. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do .php .jpg. So we're gonna call the file shell.php.jpg. This way, it's gonna check if the last thing is a .jpg, and it's gonna think that it is a .jpg, so it's gonna upload it to us. Then we're gonna browse it like a PHP file, and it should work for us. So I'm gonna call this shell2, or actually we'll call it shell3. So the only thing we modified now is we modified the file name in here to shell3.php.jpg. I'm going to forward this packet. And as you can see now, the file has been uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to go back to my Weebly here. And the last file we interacted with was called shell2.php. This time our file is called shell3.php.jpg. We're gonna hit enter, and as you can see, we managed to connect to upload a PHP file and execute it on a target computer using Burp proxy to keep the file type as an image, and then we changed the file extension to .php.jpg, which bypassed the file type check as well. So if I do ID now, I can get my ID. If I do pwd, I'll get my working directory, and in the future we'll see how we can use Weebly, but for now you can see that we managed to gain access to our target website.